Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, Independence Day is coming on August 15. So, one of my friends suggested me that I should make a flag hosting system which is Google Assistant operated. So, that's what I'm going to make today, and that's why I'm on the rooftop actually. So, these are some of the things, let me show you. So, these are some of the wooden sticks I found. So, I'm going to make this as the pole of our flag. This is not very tall, but this is what I have right now. So, and these are going to be on the frame as well. So, right now I'm going to add these nails and then I will hammer it so that I can make the frame. So, let's make the frame right now. So I hammered the nails here and here as well. I have added one more support here. So this is how it's looking right now. Right? See. So well, I have created these two L-shaped things that will be connected. These things are going to connect it to a servo. So here it is. I have two servos. So the servo, this thing will be connected right here in servo, and the servo will be connected on the top of our flag. So now let me go and connect this servo right there. So this is some of the coding that I am doing to control the servos. So you can check out the description below. There are some links about my previous videos. I have already told you how to control the servo using Blink application, because we are going to use Blink application to control the servos as well as this Google Assistant. So these are the two things we are going to use, and how to interface the servo with them. The link is in the description below. You can check out that. And this code is also right there available in that same link. Well, so this is all our electronic circuits, and this is a super glue we are going to use so that I can fix these servos in this frame. And one servo will be connected here and another will be here. So that's how I can maintain the distance, so that I guess I can perfectly balance the flag. So now let me fix this servo right here. Also, to give this whole circuit power, I'm going to use this 9-volt battery, and you can use any kind of adapter or something also. That will give more power, but as I'm going to do it on my rooftop, I don't have any connections nearby, so I'm going to use this battery. Okay, so it is fixed. Now the plus one goes here and the minus one goes here. Yep, circuit is working. Now let me get the flag and we will host it. Well, the circuit is connected, the battery is connected, everything is done. So you can see this pole right here. I am going to attach this flag to this pole. So let me go there and so finally the pole is now added here. Now it's time to attach the flag, and let's see how it's working. Well, you can see these teeth type things right here. So what I did is I rolled the flag and placed it right here, and whenever I give any command, then it will work. It will go up or down accordingly. Well, so that's how I have added the pole, and there is our flag. So now let me start how it will work. Hey Google, host the flag.
Okay, sir, hosting the flag.
Okay Google, heads down.
Jai Hind.